Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake on XRP on the Ledger Live step by step. So here is what you need to do. So you cannot stake XRP on the Ledger Live because XRP doesn't use a proof of stake or what we call POS mechanism. So instead, it relies on the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol, which doesn't support staking. So here is why XRP can't be staked on the Ledger Live. So XRP uses a unique consensus mechanism, not POS, so there is no native staking model for XRP. Also, Ledger Live only supports staking for POS-based cryptocurrency like ETH, Sol, Atom, and etc., and not XRP. And attempts to advertise staking XRP are often misleading, so sometimes referring to the lending-based rewards, which are not actual on-chain staking. So that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!